Hey guys, if you want to see how to achieve this look, just keep watching.
Yeah, but yeah, that she just dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. We know where you want.
Hi again. So this hair is from Unice Hair, and I've done reviews on their hair before, and as you guys saw, bomb.com, okay? So I'm just opening the hair. This hair is really nice. You can see from the package it says that it's 13 by 4 transparent lace. So we are going to make this work, okay? So I'm taking it out of the bag and I'm taking off the mesh, and automatically I'm loving the color. It's very Beyonce like I'm loving that. And inside there's padding to protect the hair and to protect the shape of the wig, I guess, so that, you know, it could be nice when you do put it on. And I'm taking out the padding and I'm looking at the lace. I'm looking inside the wig. I'm trying to see what they have. So basically they have two combs on the side, one at the bottom, and they have an adjustable band, which is one of the most important things, because if you ever want to wear a wig glueless, that is the key to it. Now I'm looking at the lace and I can see that the lace is really good quality. It says that it's transparent lace, it's not HD lace, and that's completely fine because as I'm seeing, it basically may as well be HD. But yeah, so I'm putting it on my head and this is how it looks like right out the box on my head. So this definitely has a lot of lace. I had to fold it up so it wouldn't go over my eyes, but I'm just showing you guys the knots are really small, so I don't think I need to bleach them or anything like that. I doubt I'm even going to pluck it. So now I'm going to customize the lace, and you guys saw a little snapshot of how it looked from the back, and it looks really nice. But now what I'm doing is I'm tinting the lace to make it match my forehead. So I'm taking my Fenty bronzer and I'm putting it all over the lace. And this is to make sure that it looks like it's coming from my scalp. And I say this all the time, but I use my my bronzer instead of my foundation because my forehead is much darker than my face. So yeah, and as you can see, it looks so much better. It blends in more with my skin, and I'll put a before and after right here. And now it's time to cut the lace, and as you guys know, I always do a up and down motion when I do cut the lace. I don't ever cut it just straight down because I don't know, it looks too wiggy when you do that. Like the lace is really obvious when you do that. So now I'm gonna put it on my head, and look, it already looks really good. So imagine when I glue it down. I'm really happy with the results so far. So now I'm just going to, you know, look around, see what else I need to do, and then I'm going to use my Got To Be spray to glue it down. And right here, I'm just playing with the hair and realizing that if I wanted to wear it glueless, I really could. Like, I just need to put some baby hairs, and yeah. So now I'm going to tint it a little bit more, and then I will put the Got To Be spray and glue it on. Give me that good love. Give me that.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life.
So now that I've glued it, I'm going to tint the lace again. And yes, people, I should have said in the beginning, like, tinting your lace is going to be your best friend, so you're gonna need to do this. So now I'm putting on the melting band so that it could, you know, be nice and melted. And then I'm going to try to see if I can style the hair. Although the hair is basically already styled, I'm just gonna play with it a little bit, see what I want to do. All right, and now that I have taken it off, you can see it looks really, really good. The lace looks really nice. And now I'm going to do some baby hairs because you guys know I love me some baby hairs.
Step into the light. If I don't get you, shawty, you bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that.
And to lay my baby hair, I just use some mousse. Any kind of mousse you have will work. I have some Herbal Essence mousse on hand, so that's what I'm gonna use.
Why you tryna fight? Just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Where you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Oh, I don't feel right when I dance alone. I don't feel right when you don't come home. I miss your body and I love you so. Baby, I do, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. Why you tryna fight? Just come on and give me.
And now I put the melting band back on, and I'm going to wait. So when I take it off now, you guys are gonna see I'm absolutely in love. And a little bit of the lace actually came out on the side, but that's a quick fix. I just have to put a little bit more got2b spray, but I'm not putting it up or anything right now. So this is how it's looking, and I'm really, really satisfied, you guys. This is a really, really nice look. I'm loving the hair, I'm loving the length. So when it comes to shedding, it did shed just a tiny bit, and I think that's because I cut some of the lace, but that's completely fine. But yeah, I definitely recommend this hair. Oh, this is when I styled it on the side. I had washed it and put a little bit of mousse. So this is basically how it looks like that. And I'm in love with this hair, you guys. I definitely recommend this hair. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye now.
Get it right without